Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter accrued expenses in QuickBooks Online. This is an important step in managing your finances properly, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to do it quickly and accurately. Let's get started. The first step is to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Go to the QuickBooks website, click the Sign In button in the top right corner, and then select QuickBooks Online. Enter your email and password carefully, and then click Continue. Make sure your login details are correct so you don't face any delays accessing your account. Once you're inside, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the New button. From the drop-down menu, select Journal Entry. This is where you'll enter the accounting details for your accrued expenses. In the journal entry form, start with the account column. On the first line, type payroll expense. Then enter the credit amount that applies to your payroll expense. This step makes sure your expenses are categorized properly. In the description field, type something clear like payroll for month of October being accrued. Adding this note will make it easier to identify the purpose of the entry later on. In the name section, type the customer or vendor name that this expense is related to, so everything stays connected in your records. Now move to the second line. Under the account column, select accrued expenses. This is important because it separates unpaid expenses from those that are already settled. Enter the debit amount here, making sure it matches the credit you added above. This balance is what keeps your financial records accurate. Copy the same description from the first line and paste it here as well, and repeat the customer or vendor name in the name section to keep everything consistent. Once you've reviewed the details and made sure everything matches, click on Save and New. This will store the entry securely in QuickBooks and allow you to create another if you need to. And that's it. You've successfully entered accrued expenses in QuickBooks Online. Following these steps helps you keep your records organized, balanced, and easy to understand. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials.